Curious to find out what's in the box? Pretty sure you guys know what's in the box based on the title and the thumbnail of this video. But if I'm not wrong, these Gucci shoes made their debut back in fall 2015. I have had these shoes for around 5 years now, and I think I have done enough research to share with you guys about these bad boys right here. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing these slippers since they are a work of art. I will also let you guys know if it's worth it to get them. I know that the shoes are still available on their website for purchase, so I will let you guys know if it's worth it to get them or not. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Give this video a like. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back. Other than that, let's start the video. So after Gucci first showcased their slippers at their show a few years back, everyone went crazy and wanted to own a pair of slippers from them. I have already seen a lot of knockoffs, duplicates, many brands trying to create their own slippers and slides moment, but nothing can beat the OG Gucci shoes. Not saying that the slipper design is original, but you can't deny that they brought this style back. So let me unbox these shoes for you. I bought these back in, I don't remember, I think 2016 or 2017. They came in this box. So I still keep them in the dust bag. Here we go. Look at that. This is my baby. Yeah, let's talk about the Princetown slides, shall we? So these Princetown leather slippers are fully lined with lamb wool and trim. The fur basically covers the top surface of the sole, making it super soft and comfortable to walk in, but it's also the problem. I find it very slippery for me to walk in these because the fur is so soft and smooth. My feet are having a hard time sticking to the surface of the shoes. Next, the signature Gucci Horsebit lock is definitely the most important detail on these slippers. I'm not sure if I like these without the Horsebit detail. It would be very plain and boring looking. I feel like this little detail right here completely transformed these slippers. I also really like the gold color of the lock. It's very rusted and kind of vintage looking. It would be a little tacky to have the gold super bright and yellow. So I definitely think that they made a very good choice by giving this design a rusted gold look. So these slippers come in many versions. I mean, Gucci milked the shit out of this design. We also have the ones without fur. I have another version of these. It's the printed version. I have shown you guys in my shoe collection video that you can check out. I put the link in the description box. And then I also have the ones with fur and then the little graphic right here. I'm really not a big fan of, you know, those designs, but I really like the plain black just symbol with the lock. So these shoes retail for $995 before tax. I know, you can do a lot with that money. You don't have to spend money getting these. But if you look at these, the price speaks for itself. You can see the real leather and fur, but yes, it's expensive, but at the same time, like I mentioned, these are like a work of art. And I feel like 20 years from now, these will be cool to look at and fun to wear as like a vintage designer piece. These were my very first designer piece that I ever got. For quality, you pay for the quality. They are very steady, very reliable. They don't even hurt me or make me feel uncomfortable to walk in. Another point that I would like to point out is that I bought these a size bigger than my actual size. Since they are slippers, I don't think buying a size bigger is a big deal. But yeah, they're definitely a little hard to walk in because it's very slippery. For some of you, these look ridiculous. I get it. When I first tried these on, when I first saw these, I was like, what the fuck are these? But then when I tried them on, I was like, okay, wait, I really appreciate the design and everything about these. They actually look cool when I try them on, and that's why they're in my closet for the past 5 years, because I decided to get them. That's kind of dangerous. That's why you don't judge the book by its cover. Same thing, you don't judge these shoes by the appearance. You have to try them on to really feel the magic of these. Same thing with my Mason Margiela tabby boots. They look fucking ridiculous. I decided to just make a purchase and try them on, and guess what? I fell in love with those tabby boots. So I would recommend you guys to try these on. Try on the tabby boots and you will see. But enough about the tabby boots, we're talking about these. So when looking at these, you would think that it's hard to style them, but not really. Since they are in black, it's super easy to match these with any outfits. I personally like to pair these with my crop pants or super long oversized trousers. I have seen these in like hot pink or something like that. Like no, I cannot. Like, first of all, the design is already unique. I don't need like hot pink slippers to make it harder for me to work with. Another important note that I would like to mention is that I would definitely not wear these in rainy, nasty weather because they can 100% ruin these, especially the fur. So absolutely not. So before you go out of your house and you want to wear these, make sure to check the weather. That's what I do every time. But anyways, now this is the final question. Is it worth it to get these shoes? The answer is absolutely not, and I will tell you why. So first of all, the price point is pretty high, and it hurts me to drag these out of my closet. Even though they are really easy to style, but like I mentioned, they are a little slippery to walk in because of the fur. So whenever I put together an outfit, these would be the last option I think of to complete my outfit. As stated before, these are more like a collective item than something you would buy to get the most out of. I would recommend you to get those Gucci Princetown slippers without the fur. Those you can wear anywhere. You can get the most out of. But these ones are a little harder to work with. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just feel like these are too pretty to not talk about. They're just... I bet you that someone is watching this video and they're like, these shoes are fucking ugly. What is he talking about? Who cares? It's my opinion. Your opinion is valid. My opinion is also valid. I think they're pretty. If you think they're ugly, then don't buy them. But I thought they were pretty. That's why I bought them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. And I'll definitely follow you back. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.